Okay, well, I'm going to try and show here how to use mp3hd. So let's have a look at mp3hd first. Put their site is here. So all the now you can do it for Mac. I don't know about Macs because I don't use them, but I can certainly show how to use it on Linux, Ubuntu Linux, and on Windows as well, and how to rip a disk using EAC in the same way. Using EAC to rip to mp3hd. So first thing to do is to download the Linux toolkit here. Download here. I'll go to my downloads because I've already got it there. Toolkit for Linux. There we go. That's the whole lot here. So you get mp3 encoder and mp3 decoder. So you take these two, you extract that to your home directory. Okay, so this one, and take this, extract that to your home directory. Then you go into your okay, let's go to the terminal, open a tab. So what you do is you copy, you go sudo cp or move, so cp, or you can go mv if you want to move it. Copy, and then the name of the document, which is mp3hd encoder, mp3hd encoder, and then you move that to USR bin. Okay, and you return that, and that will move it there. All right. Then once you've done that, I mean, this one's already password, and then you put your password in. Okay, so that's gone in there. Then you have to make it executable. So to do that, you do sudo cd. You change to the USR bin. USR bin. Okay, like that. And then you go in there. You then go sudo commode mp3. So you copy it there. And then you put some, oh sorry, I forgot to put something there. Plus X to make it executable. Okay, and you return that, and then it's good to go. So once you've done that, I don't need to do that because I've already done it, but you do that on your thing. Okay, so we can clear that in my case here. Clear. And then I want to go back to okay, and then you put mp3 encoders like that, and then it's going to show you all that. Now, the first time you do this, it will ask you to sign to, and it's very important that you do that. It will ask you to agree to the mp3 encoder, to the Frauenhofer agreement. So you have to say that yes, otherwise it doesn't work at all. So then you've got all this there, so you can do take an WAV file and turn it into an mp3 file, mp3hd file. See, this is the example here. So we've got the code here. We'll take that and go into somewhere where I've got a WAV folder. Let's find a WAV in there. Have I got a WAV here? Yes, intro.wav. Okay, we can use that. So this, change test for intro. There we got intro, we can use that one. Intro there, and the file was called I'm not happy with 128 because that's the lossy version. mp3hd is a hybrid sort of type. It has a lossy and also lossless version in the same file. So when it's the lossy one, I don't want it to be 128. I want it to be the highest. So I put it 320 here, and not forget the 3. There you go, like that. So you got that there. Okay, let's just remove that because I don't want that to. Okay, so you've got mp3 encoder, bitrate 320, Ks, if intro wire off, so you return that, and there you go. You've got the your file is turned into a 320. Okay, we'll let that happen. So we go back to the, if you want the player, they give you a player. You can use this one and install it under Wine. It works perfectly fine. I'll show you what it looks like on the, I've got it here on my desktop. That you install. There you go, like that. Now that file is ready now, intro mp3, so you put it in here. Oh no, it doesn't like that. Sorry, I forgot. You have to do like that. That works like that. And then it will show you the fact that it's HD there. So you can see the kbps is 700 to 900 about. Okay, let's stop that for a second. Now, if you were to open this file into, say, Dead Beef, which doesn't support mp3hd, it will play it as a regular. You can see 320 kbps. It will play the lossy version. So that's the originality of mp3hd. It does that. It can play the lossy in every player that plays mp3. And then if you want to play it into the Frauenhofer player, or you can do also that in Winamp. Winamp has got Winamp can actually deal with mp3hd as well. So that's what you got to remember. You got to remember to you have to remember to first of all do all the stuff where you move it to the USR bin, and you have to agree to all this. You also have to have lame present on your system as well. Lame encoder, okay, which is in your Synaptic if you're using Linux, right? That's the information to start on that. This is all the stuff for Linux. I'm going to do a separate video for to use it in Windows, and also how to use it with EAC. Okay, so this is for Linux. I'll stop this one now.